Here we are at my friend's little hen house here. Actually, it's a huge one, 2-story. Her son built it. Didn't realize how big he was actually building it till he built it. Hey? But yeah, here are the hens trying to come out. One at a time. Here we go. Yeah. That one wanted to be first. Obviously, push the other one out.
This is a friendly one.
Yeah. Oh. Right on. Loner 420 from Loner 420 House, having his 420 hour at the hen house. Come on.
Don't be a chicken.
Loner 420 from Loner 420 House at the hen house. We already have a name for this place, so we're just going to wait for the proper time to announce it. Come on. They can't figure it out. Oh, what's that good smelling stuff? Yeah, organic eggs. Oh, they don't like my coughing. You know you want some. Come on. My coughing. So this is Loner 420 at the hen house. Hey, how you doing there, Hanners? Yeah, come on. Come on. Come on. It's okay. Yeah, come on. Yeah. What's up, eh? Come on. You come down here. Yeah. Alright, so this is my exciting 420 hour. It's cool though, I'm visiting my friend here. So this is Loner 420 from Loner 420 House, signing out.